Yeah, Big Badak. I mean, I say good night. Yeah, to all my Facebook friends, Instagram. Trust me, this one is a big one. So me I say, up to the time. You don't know, the one done straight. Yeah. I mean, I say, yo, we have to give God thanks for every minute of the day, every second. Because I don't know what can happen. You see me I say? You don't know when it's your last day or last minute. Because the evil one out there plan night and day to take your life. You see what I say? Straight. So we have to put Jah first and everything we do. You see what I say? And be careful of those who you call friend. Because some of them who you call friend, them are not really your friend. Them just want friend to kill you. You see what I say? Yeah. People always ask me say what me have to talk so I push out them video, but you don't know who feels it, knows it. You see what I say? And when you have people are watching and pray you have to go down upon your knee and pray to God. There's a God. You see me? I see a lot of people around complain to man and them call themselves Christian. And a man them a complain too. That means them not trust God. Not judge you know. But me I show you how some people stay. Yeah. But hear me I say. These are the last days. Read the Bible hard and pray hard. You see what I say? If you forget to read the Bible, remember to pray to the Most High. But most importantly, try and read the Bible and know the scripture. Because it's coming to a day where you're going to take away the Bible from us. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah, it doesn't matter the life where you live. Me can't judge you and you can't judge me. I got to do that. Straight. So just be careful of the people who live around you. And just be careful of who you call friend. And just be careful of who your friend on Facebook. Trust me. Because some of these people your friend on Facebook, they must friend you to mash you around. And report you and tell you your life on you. Straight. That's what the thing said. Don't know what's going on. One done. Straight.